Hello everyone, my name is Stefano and today I will be talking about the battery technology used in the Hyundai Ioniq 5. In this presentation, I will be explaining the vehicle itself, the type of battery it uses, its capacity, driving range, charging performance, battery pack design, and some of its main advantages and limitations. So for the vehicle overview, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 is manufactured by Hyundai Motor Company. It is a compact electric crossover SUV designed for families, commuters, or anyone looking for a practical electric vehicle. Depending on the trim levels and options, the purchase price ranges from approximately $43,000 to $59,000. One reason the Ioniq 5 has become so popular is because it combines modern technology, long-range driving, and extremely fast charging while remaining practical for everyday use. For the battery chemistry, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 uses an NMC or nickel manganese cobalt oxide lithium-ion battery. Hyundai selected this chemistry because it offers a high energy density, which allows the vehicle to travel farther without making the battery excessively larger or heavy. Another advantage is that it supports high power output and fast charging. However, NMC batteries are more expensive than some other battery chemistries out there because they contain nickel and cobalt. They also generate more heat, so they require an advanced cooling system to maintain performance and safety. For the battery capacity, the long-range Hyundai Ioniq 5 has a battery capacity of approximately 84 kilowatt hours. Battery capacity tells us how much energy the battery can store. For example, an 84 kilowatt hour battery could theoretically provide 84 kilowatt of power for 1 hour, or 42 kilowatts for 2 hours. In general, a larger battery capacity allows a vehicle to travel farther before needing to recharge. As far as the vehicle range concerns, the EPA estimates that long-range rear-wheel drive Hyundai Ioniq 5 can travel up to 318 miles on a full charge. However, the actual driving range depends on several factors. Cold weather can reduce battery efficiency, while driving at high speeds increases energy consumption. Using air conditioning or heating also requires additional power. Other factors such as hills, heavy cargo, and low tire pressure can also reduce the total driving range. For the charging performance, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 supports three different charging methods. Level 1. Charging uses a standard 120-volt household outlet and typically adds only 3 to 5 miles of range per hour. So, a full charge can take more than 40 hours. Level 2 charging uses a 240-volt charger and can fully charge the battery in about 7 to 9 hours approximately, making it ideal for overnight charging at home. The fastest option is DC fast charging. The Ioniq 5 can accept charging speeds up to approximately 235 kilowatts, allowing the battery to charge from 10% to 80% in about 18 minutes under ideal conditions. For the battery pack design, it is basically organized into three levels. The smallest component is the individual battery cell, where electrical energy is stored. Many battery cells are grouped together to create battery modules. Finally, several modules are connected together to form the complete battery pack, which is installed underneath the vehicle. The Battery Management System, or BMS, continuously monitors the battery's voltage, temperature, and state of charge to ensure safety and efficient operation. When it comes to advantages and limitations, we have four advantages. One of the advantages of this vehicle, it is the it is long driving range, which makes it practical for both daily commuting and longer trips. Another advantage is its ultra-fast charging capability. Thanks to its advanced 800-volt electrical architecture. It is also highly energy efficient and has lower maintenance costs compared to gasoline vehicles because it has fewer moving parts. On the other hand, the purchase price is still higher than many comparable gasoline vehicles. Battery performance also decreases in cold weather, reducing driving range. Finally, like all lithium-ion batteries, the battery gradually starts to lose some of its capacity over many years of use. Some of the unique features that we can see on this vehicle is its 800-volt electrical architecture. This allows much faster charging than many electrical vehicles that use a traditional 400-volt system. Another unique feature for this vehicle is the vehicle to load, or V2L, which allows the battery to power external devices such as laptops, appliances, or camping equipment. The vehicle also uses regenerative braking to recover energy during the braking and return it to the battery. Finally, the Hyundai's dedicated eGMP platform was specifically designed for electric vehicles, improving efficiency, performance, and interior space. These are the references that I use for this presentation, including Hyundai's official website, the U.S. Department of Energy, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, and Hyundai's official technical specifications. So, in conclusion, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 demonstrates how modern lithium-ion battery technology provides long driving range, fast charging, and high efficiency. As battery technology continues to improve, electric vehicles like the Ioniq 5 will become even more practical and accessible. Thank you for watching.